The journey to the top, you no need taxi driver. Carry Moses over. Make it a better potential. And the yeah, when you get home. I believe it like never done.
Hi guys, welcome back. Um, in this session, in this video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin. Okay, so from previous video we had on the academy, we talked about Bitcoin, and these were the values we gave for Bitcoin, right? These were the points that we gave for Bitcoin. Let me try and centralize this a little bit. So we are still bearish on Bitcoin, right? So like I said, we have this zone and 82,000, 83,000. This is 77, 78,000. So what are we looking to do here? Okay, here price has come in to this point. Price has come into this point, but yet because we're waiting for certain criteria to be met so that we can take these short positions all the way downside. So what are we expecting? We're expecting some fundamental data in the coming week. We're expecting a positive GDP on the positive USD GDP, and a positive consumer confidence on the USD as well. And this would give us the required positions that we need, or the required data that we need to have positions on Bitcoin. Okay, so if eventually before the release on Tuesday or Wednesday next week we see price here, our views are to be short as well. We maintain our objectivity and look to go short. So stop values will be communicated to the alumni students, and for this purpose, I believe that since we are not taking any positions now, the best safe stop for these positions will be above the last zone where we are going to have our sell or short positions, rather, where we'll be having our last short positions if price should rally up to these highs. Okay, so that's that on Bitcoin. This is the monthly chart. Let's look at the weekly and see if we have anything gearing up for us. On the weekly chart, if we could on the weekly chart, if we could this properly, we could see that price has rallied up to this point, and if price goes above this the level of 83,000, we'll be looking to zero down our short positions as at this point right here, and wait for confirmations here as well. Obviously the fundamentals is what we're waiting for, and our views are to be bearish, our views are to be short, and that hasn't changed. We expected these rallies to this point, so we are just maintaining objectivity, and profit taking is happening here. Hopefully we see good amount of short positions here, institutional short positions from people looking to offload their long hold buys on Bitcoin, and we could get good momentum from these areas right here for further downside. Yeah, so this is where we're expecting further downside. We'll be looking at gold as well. Let's quickly look at gold. Let's look at XAU USD. Similar case on gold. We'll be looking at gold. We'll be looking at a couple others that are very, very important as well. So let's just let's use this, right? On gold, similar situation we are having. even though everything looks nice and clean on gold for the rallies, good momentum buys, and all of that, we are still looking to be short on gold for specific reasons. That we were short from the point where we had our long positions during the start of the year. We had long positions around here, if I'm correct. Nah, I don't think so. We had long positions. I'm trying to look for the start of the year. Yeah, long positions from this point or a bit higher, and we got to $5,500 or $5,600 on gold, and our views were to go up to 6,000, but that didn't happen. In the previous video, I talked about it as well. So let's just look at what gold has for us. Obviously, this is a bull market all the way here. Bull market. There was a bear market, bear market, bear market, bull market, bear market. More like a pause. A bull market, bull market, bull market, explosive, 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 all the way to the top. Let's just get a clearer view on things. Even though we have talked about these positions before now, I'm just going to clear this out, and I'm going to clear this out as well. So for this month, here's what I look out for this month, the month of August. Okay, for the month of August, I am expecting that the consumer confidence and the USD GDP would give profit taking to happen, allow for profit taking to happen here, and then the institutional players will come down, put in chunk of short orders and bring price down to this demand. Bring price down to this demand right here, and eventually, if we were to see more downside, we could get lower prices up until this point of $3,400 on the gold asset class. Okay. So let's just dive deeper and see what we are looking out for. I gave out some short positions earlier today. Obviously, same idea, profit taking. The lower time frames was just a little bit of a scalp, but we did a good 2-to-1 basic institutional standards, and we're able to catch such short positions around here. Exited with a decent 2-to-1, and it was a win for the week. I think this was the only idea. Okay, we had ideas on gold as well before then, around this point or here as well before this. I can't really say. We had short positions around here, and yeah, before all the rallies to the top, we had short positions. I think was around this point all the way down. Then we caught, we booked profits around this area, and yeah, that is that. So what do I expect? The week is gonna close, so I'm expecting profit taking to happen on this weekly candle that is being formed. So we're going to expect that some institutional players, long players, would take out some of their profits and give price to stay within 4,600 to 4,630 or 40, that range. And if eventually price happens to go for this, we're going to be looking for short ideas as well. Okay, basic 2-to-1. We just waiting for the fundamentals. The fundamentals wasn't there as of today, so reasons why we knew that it was not an ideal shot, but with experience we're able to book some profits out of the shots we called, and that was that. We called short profit, but it was not an ideal standard because there was no fundamental data to why we should go short. Okay, so another idea we're going to be looking out for. So on gold, rather, we're looking at short positions around these areas and these areas, okay? But pending if the fundamental data would be to our expectations of a positive dollar long term, given the USD GDP, the GDP of the United States, and that would be same for euro dollar, pound dollar. In the previous video, I said we're pausing on ideas on pound dollar, and it was a good decision we made because there was no solid data backing our short ideas, so we had to put a hold on that. But looking forward to the end of the month, I also made sure that everything was looking like the market was in a pause, and we needed volatility. And the volatility, like I said, will come in towards the end of the month, and this is the volatility we're seeing. Okay, we're expecting volatility to happen to give us a good guide towards the end of Q3, which would be September. Okay, September is the last month of Q3, so enough volatility towards the end of the month around here would give us with the whole positive fundamentals on the GDP, and then we could get positive dollar and negative dollar quoted pairs on the forex market and the gold asset class as well, Bitcoin likewise. So let's just look at euro dollar. Okay, these are ideas that we have at the academy. So we're just going to look up these ideas for very specific reasons. We are letting you on what we think is going to happen in coming weeks or the coming week. Okay. So on the euro dollar, trying to get this to the center. All right, on the euro dollar, this is what we have. Trying to see if I can. Okay, I think this is not really the ideal chart for the euro dollar, but then we could manage this since we're having the good values here. So basically, this is what we're looking at. We're looking at the price on these levels, on this box rather. This is where price is currently at, and that is where our interest lies at. And given that this is a strong area where we had institutional players coming to push for lower prices on the euro dollar pair. Okay, so this is the price we're looking at. This is the month of July 25, this is October 25, this is January 26, this is April, which is representing Q2, this is Q1. So Q1 we had a bull market, then a bear market. Q2 we had a bull market rallies, then a bear market close. Then Q3 we're having a bull market all the way to the top for expecting a bear market as well in end of Q3 and Q4, the last part of the year. So that is what we are looking out for. These are just what we use to time entries. These are not really part of the idea generation process. It's just to time our entry points. Our ideas come solidly from using institutional standards. We look at a lot of micro and macroeconomics, global economics to have these ideas all sorted out. We are not like the 99% of retails that actually go in doing a lot of dumb stuff. Okay, so obviously these are our views. Okay, let me break it down a little bit so that you would know what we're looking out for. We're looking out for prices to have rallies to the highs of this, or well, if we go down a little bit, if we scale down lower a little bit, we would likely see a better view on what we are looking out for. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're looking out for. We're expecting prices to come to the highs, either react around this point and give us if the data comes in, we could see good drop to the downside. A basic 2-to-1 wouldn't be bad. A good drop to the downside to this demand, and if we break lower, we could see lower prices as well. And that is that. So we're looking at 2 points on the euro dollar. We are looking at these highs we are looking at these highs as well. We are looking at these highs as well. So that is what we are looking out for. We're looking at these highs. We're looking at these highs. Okay, there are 3 highs we're looking out for, and obviously here. So we're looking to go short in one of these areas, pending the fundamental data we get to see. If it match our view, be short, we go short. If it doesn't, we let it rest and wait for when it's going to, fit our ideas to be short. So for the pound dollar, same thing. NZD, USD, same. AUD, USD should be same. Correlated pairs against the dollar quoted pairs. These are the dollar quoted pairs. Let's look at the pound. So for the pound, basically same thing here. Let's just run through it a little bit, just a little bit of running through it so that we get a full idea on how it is going to be. So obviously our ideas are to be short. Our ideas are to be short. Our ideas are to be short, but we're focusing on this. Okay, we're focusing on this. Now let's look at this. We had this. Okay, I'm looking for this tool. Where is it? Okay. No, I didn't ask for economic calendar. No, I didn't ask for that. I didn't ask for the economic calendar. Okay. Let's see if I can close these up. All right, so let's look at this extensively. Okay, yeah. So we are going to be focusing on this. So this was the bear market. Yeah, this was the bear market that happened. So what are we expecting? This is a bear market. This is obviously a bear market. This is rallies to the top of the bear market. So we're expecting the same thing that happened before to happen again. But then we are not just trading blind. We're expecting fundamental data to boost our confidence that the dollar would give us a good reason to why we should go short. So obviously, if we're going to go short, we'll be trading off the buys from the guys that are long and then going short all the way down. So we're going to take all their orders out of here and print a whole new bearish close for the month, for the quarter. So next month will determine. We have 10 days to the end of the month of August, and that is going to be a beautiful thing. Okay. So going further, I think after this I'll just stop right here. Okay, so obviously we have looked at what our expectations are, and this is what we are looking out for. We are looking at this range highs. So price could tap into the range high, and then we get short positions from there. Okay, we get short positions all the way down. Okay, I think this short we had earlier on was okay, this was 2022. This was a bear market starting 2021. The whole of 2022 was a bear market after COVID. Okay, pre-COVID. Okay, let's look at this. Pre-COVID, we had the bull market. Then to pre-COVID, we had a bull market peaked at 18. Then towards this was the Q2 of 2018. We had bear market up until 2020. We had bull market because obviously the US was having a lot of trouble with the COVID-19 virus and all of that. So now in 2022 Q4, we had these rallies up until 2026. So if we go above this, our short ideas are no longer valid. We look to go long, but our short ideas will remain valid if the fundamental data tells us that we should be short. What else are we going to look at? Let's look at NZD, USD, and I think that would be all. Okay, we don't want to have so many ideas. These ideas are probably similar. So pending the fundamental data, we are going to look at this. Okay, I think we'll just call it a day here. We're going to call it a day. Okay, let's see if we could just do something small on this. We have views on all of this. Okay, so the last one on our list would be NZD USD, and same here. It's obviously been a bear market, but it's a bit tricky here because we're just in between highs and lows, but then we have to remain objective. So these are views. Price could get all the way up here, and if it does, we take shots all the way to this point, 200 points or thereabouts drop, or we are looking to short from here as well. All these ideas depend on how good the we expect the fundamental data coming out to be. Okay, also these are not just ideas you create out of nowhere. This has been following pure institutional process, and I do not advise you to go on trying to trade on your own. Seek the right guidance, get the right information, and you should be good. A lot of charlatan educators out there, and I just hope you don't fall victim of their scams. Okay, so that is that. We're expecting short positions around here or around here. So if the fundamental data, or when the fundamental data comes out by next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yeah, these are the days where you have the fundamental data released. Then we'll be looking to restructure our trade ideas to fit the data that has been printed out in the open for everyone to see. And thank you very much. This video will be uploaded on our YouTube channel, on the Academy YouTube channel. You can search right here on the Academy YouTube channel. Okay, I don't think it's loaded up, but I will tag it somewhere around here, the YouTube channel and other of our social media handles for you to see. And thank you for staying all through this lengthy video, and I hope this gives you the right guide that you seek. And make sure that you don't trade all by yourself, as trading without the help of a professional can lead to total and complete loss of your savings and your total capital or portfolio. Please ensure that you get the right knowledge and have the right guidance from a professional. Even though you choose to go retail and trade your own money, that is also fine, but get the right knowledge and education. At the Academy, we offer mentoring programs, and if you do wish to join our mentoring programs, you can contact us using the Academy email. I'm just going to tag the email somewhere around here as well. I wanted to type it out, but I'll just attach it to this video. Yeah, use the Academy email and use the WhatsApp number to contact us. And obviously, all your questions will be answered. We're also hosting a free webinar come Q4 October from the 2nd to the 9th. I'll also pin the flyer here and hope you join us. It's a free webinar where we'll be educating retail traders, we'll be educating aspiring traders who want to come into the world of Forex trading or trading in general and have zero knowledge whatsoever. This is to give you a head start and give you the proper guide and to give you the heads on the information you should seek and the right process to get the job done. And also, this is me wishing you well and saying you have a great Q3 and proposed Q4 coming soon in the next couple of months. I remain your humble mentor, and I remain your trader friend, Engineer Innocent Forex Academy. I am a team doing the best we can to ensure that the retail trading industry gets the right information out there to them so that they don't fall into the hands of charlatans and fall victim of any scams. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like and subscribe on this video and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we release new videos and whenever we are doing something great on this YouTube channel. Thank you once again, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.